Gates open, they're up and racing. Jaden Apo Papato, time away, moving up at the center. Then comes Kidlat, moving up by the rail. Jacqueline's Diamond is already outside as they race towards the last 900. Jacqueline's Diamond takes command over Kidlat. Time away is racing in third. Down in fourth, moving up already outside. Jaden Apo Papato, Hama hit. Jaden Dugo comes next, then followed by runner number 6, Tagurano. And comes entry number 3, Empire's Magic, as they rounded the last 600. Kidlat moves up to take the lead. Running in second, Jacqueline's Diamond. Jaden Apo Papato, Jaden Dugo time away. Then comes Tagurano as they swing for home. Kidlat leading the field by the rail, running on the outside. Jaden Apo Papato, Jaden Dugo, Tagurano time away, and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Kidlat running by the rail, moving up on the outside to take the lead. Jaden Apo Papato, Jaden Apo Papato, this time by about 2 lengths, and finally Jaden Apo Papato, Kidlat, Jaden Dugo, Tagurano time away. Jacqueline's Diamond, then comes Hama Hit. Number 8, Zininer. Number 3, Empire's Magic. And